Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Today we are talking about Melania Trump summer style and the best plus size woman dresses for the season. Stay tuned until the end for more some amazing tips and inspiration. Melania Trump is known for her impeccable style, and her summer looks are no exception. From elegant sundresses to chic swimsuits, she always looks stunning. Let's take a look at some of her best summer outfits. Now let's talk about plus size women dresses for summer. Whether you are looking for a comfortable sundresses or a stylish swimsuits cover up, we have got you covered. Here are some of the best plus size dresses for the season. Styling plus size dresses can be challenging, but with these tips, you will be the pro in no time. From accentuating your waist to choosing the right accessories, we will cover it all. This summer plus size women are embracing their curves and rocking the latest fashion trends. From bold prints to bright colors, we will show you how to stay stylish and confident all season long. Melania Trump's fashion influence extends far beyond the White House. She is a style icon for women of all sizes, and her summer looks are always highly anticipated. So let's take a look at how she is inspiring plus size women to embrace their style. So my beautiful viewers, if you are new here, please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell to stay updated with our all latest fashion related content. And my dear subscribers and all my viewers, I request all of you, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, summer is the perfect time to embrace your body and practice self-love. Whether you are rocking a swimsuits or a sundresses, remember to love yourself and your curves. You are beautiful inside and out. So my beautiful viewers, please tell me in comment box, what do you like in my videos and which type of videos do you like in future. So my beautiful viewers, no summer wardrobe is complete without these must-have items. From a good pair of sunglasses to a comfortable pair of sandals, we will show you what you need to stay stylish and comfortable all the summer long. Looking for plus size fashion brands and a cater to your curves, we have got you covered. From a sourced curve to a land brand, we will show you the best brands for plus size women dresses. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And please hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's spread body positivity and self-love all summer long. And remember, fashion is for all sizes. So let's embrace our curves and slay to summer in style. Don't forget to check out our next video, where we will be discussing the best plus size swimsuits for the summer. So my beautiful viewers, if you want to buy these dresses, you can visit any online store. My dear subscribers and all my viewers, you can see here 100 new design, 100 new ideas daily in my YouTube channel. So my beautiful viewers, Melania Trump is known for her impeccable style, and her summer looks are no exception. From elegant sundresses to chic swimsuits, she always looks stunning. Let's take a look at some of her best summer outfits. So my beautiful viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. My beautiful subscribers and all my viewers, you can see here in this channel American woman, Belgian woman, France woman, worldwide woman, the best fashion I will show you in my video. So my beautiful viewers, whether you are looking for a stylish outfit for a special occasion or just want to upgrade your everyday wardrobe, we have got you covered. Plus size women come in all shapes and sizes, and finding the right dresses style can make all the difference. Let's explore the different body type and the dresses style that flatter them. From maxi dresses to bodycon dresses, we are covering the latest trends in plus size fashion. Find out what's sold and what's not, and how to style your dresses for maximum impact. Shopping for plus size dresses can be a challenging, but with these tips and tricks you will be a pro in no time. Learn where to shop, what to look for, and how to find the perfect dresses for your body type. Once you have found your perfect dresses, it's time to style it. Learn how to accessorize and a pop of color and make your dresses stand out from the crowd. So thanks for watching everyone. Remember, fashion is all sizes, and with these tips and tricks you can rock their dresses like a pro. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.